I got this pool fountain from Uirway and I tried to install it myself. I got to this point here. I removed one piece and these fittings don't seem to want to go on. So I was afraid I was going to wreck something. So I called my friend Brad, who is Jack of All Adventures on YouTube, so give him a follow. He's going to show me how to correctly remove this piece because I was afraid I was going to do it and my whole pool was going to drain. So it did come with this part here that is like a lock.
It'll go in here.
So he's going to show me how.
And there's a slot in there that it fits into.
Okay.
You just need a pair of pliers or something, crescent wrench or something. And this should relatively easily twist out of there. But when they get left in there for a long time,
it's been what, 10 years ish?
Probably. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, thank God.
Now it'll probably turn out nice and loose and easy. Yep, the way it's supposed to. And this piece here, it really simply just.
Okay. Oh, all right.
So it's just like one more piece that's threaded in there.
So it shows this big part though being towards the wall of the pool.
Really? Oh, so it's threaded this way.
It's supposed to be, yeah, like that.
So somehow we got to adapt this
right
to what we have there. And these are the only pieces they give you?
They got those three. I think this might have been the one that I thought looked the closest because these were just way too big. Yeah, look at that. That's not the diameter.
Yeah, that's all way too big.
And that's too big too. And then this was the smallest one. So but look at the thread on that.
Got it all the way out. It's not matching.
I thought maybe it was me.
These are all the pieces they give you?
That's it.
Yeah, that's not gonna get
and there's also, where was it? Oh, this thing. That somewhat goes onto something, but then what?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna think. I think we're gonna do.
This is what. Put this back on. This will be like where you let the water out. So
okay.
Pressure
right.
come out, and then you close it down, and then
correct.
You the
yep.
Turn it up, and so now this will actually just go right in here. Which be a little fun to get it.
So we actually aren't using any of the adapters that came with it because none of them fit, but this seems to be working.
Solar?
Uh-huh. It's all solar powered.
Oh, is there like lights in it?
Mm-hmm. You can change the colors and everything.
Oh, that'll be cool. You want to turn it on?
Sure.
Turn it on?
Yeah, just, yep. Check that out. That's tough. All right. All right. Well, thank you, Brad. Thank you very much. And I'll have to get a shot of this at night. But yeah, so I guess moral of the story, you might not even need any of the 3 adapters that come with it. You might have to find a workaround, which he just did. He was able to disassemble that part and just use it as is, which seems to be working okay. That's so cool.